Today I am going to share with you how to make your own hair conditioner. This is actually one of my ultimate secret recipes that I actually use on my clients. It's really easy to make, and once I tell you these ingredients and show you how to use them, once you use them, your hair is going to look like you just stepped out of a salon. So this fabulous hair conditioner is made with honey and yogurt. And let me tell you why I am choosing to use honey and yogurt to make this conditioner. Honey is actually loaded with antioxidants. It's loaded with vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. It also has antibacterial and antifungal properties, which is great for your scalp. It is a natural humectant, which makes it excellent for retaining moisture in your hair. And studies have also shown that honey actually fights dandruff and it helps with hair loss. That alone is one of the reasons why I want to use it. I'm choosing yogurt because it is one of the most amazing foods to use as a hair conditioner. Yogurt actually can take that dull, dry, brittle, frizzy hair, and it can actually bring it back to life. And the reasons why it can do this is because, one, it contains lactic acid, and lactic acid has intense hydrating properties. It also contains zinc, and zinc helps to build healthy cells. It also aids in the absorption of nutrients, and zinc also helps to regulate your hormones. Now, many of us are hormonally imbalanced. So if we can have a mineral that can help to regulate our hormones, that would also help to fight and stop thinning hair and hair loss. Yogurt also contains vitamin B5, and vitamin B5 helps with blood circulation, and it's also great for hair growth. It also contains calcium, and calcium stimulates new hair cells. So yogurt has so many hair building proteins in it. It just does wonderful things. And for all of you who say that your hair grows very slow, yogurt is one of those foods that helps that slow growing hair. It gives it a boost. So it'll help that hair start to grow faster. So come with me. I'm going to show you all the ingredients and what we need to do. So I am using honey, and I'm using Manuka honey. Manuka honey is that honey that is from Australia, and it comes from the Manuka bees. It is a medicinal honey, and this honey is one of the most amazing honeys you can find. It is quite expensive, but it's really worth everything. It's amazing. Honey alone is amazing, but Manuka honey, it's the cream of the crop. And then we have Greek yogurt. Now, in this conditioner, I am using Greek yogurt. Many of you are going to ask me, can I use this yogurt, that yogurt? No, stick to Greek yogurt, and it is plain yogurt. No fruit, no additives, no blueberries, nothing. Just plain Greek yogurt. Then my other ingredient is apple cider vinegar. I've chosen apple cider vinegar because apple cider vinegar helps to bring the pH down in your hair. And many of you who have dull, brittle, frizzy hair, that's usually where your hair has reached an alkaline level. So the apple cider vinegar will bring the pH down in your hair. Next, we're going to use sweet almond oil. And sweet almond oil is a carrier oil. I've chosen sweet almond oil because it works wonderful as an emollient. You can use coconut oil, you can use avocado oil, you can use olive oil, but I've chosen sweet almond oil because it's very light. The problem with coconut oil is sometimes it's too heavy, and if you have a fine texture of hair, then coconut oil is going to weigh your hair down. Almond oil gets the job done without weighing your hair down. And then we have rosemary oil, one of my secret weapons. I use 100% pure essential oils only, and this rosemary oil is excellent. Not only does it smell good, but rosemary oil stimulates hair development and also thickens your hair. So these are the ingredients that I am choosing to use, and let me tell you how to use them. So you need 2 tablespoons of honey And I've already measured out my honey. This is actually 2 tablespoons here. So it's 2 tablespoons of honey. Then you want 2 tablespoons of yogurt. So you want 2 tablespoons of your yogurt. Then it is 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. And then it's 2 tablespoons of sweet almond oil. And then it's 1 teaspoon of rosemary. Now you just mix all this together until you get a good consistency. So after you mix all of your ingredients, you will see that it's not very thick. It is liquidy. Now, if you feel that it's too liquidy, you can add another tablespoon of Greek yogurt. But I keep it where it's not thick, it's not thin, and this is how I like it. It makes it easy to apply on your hair. And so after that, I use one of my favorite bottles and a funnel. And I'm basically just pouring it all in here. Add a top to it. Shake it up. And now I have a conditioner. So this conditioner is not a thick conditioner by any means. Like I said, if you want it a little thicker, you can add more Greek yogurt to your batch. But I don't need mine to be thick. I like it with this type of consistency. And so this is what it looks like. It looks really like lotion, but this is what I will use to apply to my client's hair.